Welcome to Workflows. Here you define automated processes that guide agent interactions during calls. Each workflow consists of sequential steps called nodes. These nodes execute specific tasks during a conversation. You can build custom workflows from scratch or start with pre-built templates. Templates provide ready-to-use structures for common scenarios. For example, the meeting booking template manages scheduling automatically. Selecting a template loads all required nodes and logic immediately. This saves time when setting up standard customer interactions. Let's open the meeting booking template. The canvas displays all connected nodes for scheduling calls. You can review the flow or modify any node instructions. Click back to return to the workflow's main screen. Now let's create a brand new workflow from scratch by clicking the plus icon at the top right. A blank workflow opens with an initial start node. The start node initiates the conversation flow. To build your process, click Add Node at the bottom menu. You can choose from task, say, and end nodes. Task nodes direct agents to perform actions or evaluate responses. Say nodes instruct agents to speak specific text deterministically. End nodes conclude the workflow or terminate the call gracefully. Let's select task to add our first functional step. Click the newly created task node to open its properties panel. Rename the label to identify this step clearly. Under task instructions, describe what the agent should accomplish. You can expand the text window for longer, detailed instructions. Next, define the result type for decision branching. Options include true, false, multiple options, text, number, or object. True, false branches the flow based on a binary outcome. Select Tools to assign specific capabilities to this task node. Tools allow agents to execute external actions during the call. Options include Send Message, Get Products, Schedule Call, and Calendar Events. Select Send Message to enable text messaging capabilities during this step. Click the expand icon to write detailed task instructions comfortably. Type the full prompt describing the agent's objective here. Save the instructions and return to the main flow canvas. Next, add a Say node from the Add Node menu. In the message field, enter exact script text for the agent. Toggle Allow Interruptions if customers should be able to interrupt speech. Setting No Interrupt ensures full phrase completion before listening. Now connect the nodes to establish the execution sequence. Drag a connection line from Start to the Say node. Next, connect the output of Say to the Task node. Add an End node to terminate the workflow upon completion. Connect the Task node output directly to the End node. Click Task Result to set branching rules for outcomes. Select both true and false outcomes to route to end. Click Select Agent at the bottom toolbar to assign an agent. Choose the AI agent responsible for executing this specific workflow during calls. You can also assign global tools using Select Tools at the bottom. Global tools remain available across all workflow nodes continuously. Click the Start node to open general instructions. Provide high-level guidelines explaining the overall goal of this workflow. Use toolbar buttons to zoom in, zoom out, or auto-arrange layout. Click the header title to rename your workflow to Simple. Click Save in the top right to store your workflow changes. Custom workflows give you total control over agent conversation paths. In the next video, we will explore managing products and services. Thank you for watching this tutorial on hyper sales workflows.